Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well, and let's quickly see what is going on with Gala. It's been some time I haven't covered Gala, so let's cover it. Okay, so as I told you in my previous video, let's summarize it really quick. We were creating this bearish head and shoulder pattern, and as you know that these are bearish patterns, okay, and they have a price target if they break out to the downside, wherever the downside is, okay, at maybe 3 cents. But I'm not saying it's going there, but that's how the chart is implying, okay. But the only way we can invalidate this pattern, like I told you, this line over here that I have placed, okay, like I told you, the price went up, hit the resistance, came down, support, came up, broke the resistance, went all the way up. So this was the area where everybody got in. Then when it came here, you can see support went up, came down, and came all the way back to the support. Okay, that's the reason they make these kind of patterns. Same way, right over here. Okay, like it had this support over here. Okay, and then it had this resistance. Okay, then when it broke the support, you came down, and then you came all the way down to this level. Okay, and obviously had some support here because of this support over here, but yeah, you get the point. Okay, now let me just take this off. Same way, the reason I'm explaining that it broke this major support line. Okay, and once it broke it, this was a very big negative sign. Okay, see, look at this, broken the support. If you go in the daily time frame, you can see clearly this support was broken. And even if you move this line a little bit like that, okay, and put it right over here, you can still see, the price over here, okay, is again and again hitting its head to this resistance line because we had so much resistance here. And this over here was again a bearish head and shoulder pattern. I can quickly draw it for you. This, that, and this, and lower highs formed, and then it had a price target towards the downside. Okay, and you can see it never got there, but see, it's still in progress. Now I'm not saying it's going to go down. The only way you can invalidate this pattern, you break this resistance and go towards the upside. Again, that's not the only thing. If you take a look at this trend line right over here, you can see how many times it's been hitting its head towards this trend line. Hit, 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 came down, hit again, came down, hit again, came down, and then now it's coming in a U formation. This does look like a kind of like a bullish pattern to me. Okay, if you go in the lower time frame, maybe a 4 hourly time frame, you can see uh, this U formation it's been making. Okay, look at this formation. Okay, it broke from here. Okay, and then made a beautiful U. So like a cup formation, I would say. So maybe this can turn into a cup and a handle formation if I'm looking towards the bullish scenario, okay? Because this is kind of a bullish pattern. Okay, I'm not gonna deny that because it is a bullish pattern, okay? And now if we take a look at the uh, here, right over here, look at this pattern. This was also a bullish pattern. Look at this. It was an inverse head and shoulder pattern. But what happened? It broke towards the downside. Usually they break towards the upside. Probably Bitcoin went down, so it took this bullish pattern and turned into a bearish pattern. Okay. Now same way here. Okay. Now this is a bullish pattern because you can clearly see how many times. One, two, three, four, five. Eh, this is a five bottom that it's making, which is really awesome. Okay. All you need to do is right over here. Okay, you need to now break. It has broken it once, came back twice now. Okay, so you want, and there is a price target for this. Okay, from the top to the bottom. Okay, now wherever, and you can clearly see it's trying to come and hit the this resist used to be support and it's resistance now. So even if, but it will go ahead and break this resistance. Okay, so now you know how crucial of a level this area is. You get on top of it, sit on top of this trend line. uh, Gala has just reversed the whole bearish scenario, okay, because it's gonna get on top of this resistance and sit on it as support. Okay, now if you take a look at this in the Fibonacci, okay, let's measure it right over here. Okay, and just analyze this area now. Okay, you can see clearly uh, this line I just, let's go in the 4 hourly. Okay, yeah, this line I just drew, okay, you can clearly see it went up, hit the 0.5 Fibonacci level. Okay, so this makes perfect sense. So it goes, hits the 0.5, comes down, goes and hits back and forth. Okay, so now you can clearly see it's sitting on the 0.5. This is a really good sign. Okay, it has done this before as well, right over here, but it got rejected towards the downside. Okay, so what we want to see this, the price sit on it. Okay, and close the candle on this, and then maybe in a larger time frame, weekly time frame. Let's see. Yeah, if you do it on the weekly time frame, it's going to be bullish. Okay, so 5 days to go. If a weekly close gets above the zero point 0.5 level, then expect the price to go all the way up to 27 cents and hit this resistance. Okay, and then if it hits this resistance and it gets rejected, that's fine. It can come back, find support at 25 cents, and then make its way up again. Okay, maybe to the next Fibonacci level, 0.38 cents. Okay, but this is the first step. You have to close the weekly candle above the 0.5 cents. That's your bullish scenario it can create. Okay, but overall, look at how this pattern is working out to be in the weekly time frame, because this is how GALA actually works. Look at this resistance. Once it broke out, boom. Okay, resistance. Once it breaks out, boom. Okay, so probably a lot of people are waiting on this breakout. Okay, but this is it for GALA coin. Hopefully this brought you some insights about GALA, why it's just just sitting at this level because of this resistance level. And if you like this kind of content, like my video, because your likes are going to tell me you want more of this content coming out. And thank you so much, guys, and have a good day. Bye bye.